Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, firmware and drivers, console access, and a recent config backup. Once done, connect via SSH to the primary node and export its current config so you can restore if needed. Next, validate IP addressing and VLAN ID so overlays map correctly. Make sure to sync system time across nodes to avoid certificate or join failures. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to initialize the Mesh Tsb process on the primary node using the prepared config. You now enable the TSB module and assign a unique mesh ID because consistent ID ensure nodes form one fabric. Once enabled, apply routing policies and acceleration thresholds that match your latency targets. This controls path selection and stability. Then generate a join token on the primary and use it to add secondary nodes. Watch for peering status change to established. Make sure to verify route propagation and test traffic flow between two remote nodes so you catch any asymmetric route issues early. You complete the deployment by validating end-to-end connectivity and exercising failover to confirm resilience. Once satisfied, commit the configuration, save a backup copy, and enable monitoring and alerts for mesh health metrics. If something goes wrong, first recheck time synchronization and the join token, then inspect ACLs and MTU mismatches, which often break peering. If problems persist, collect logs from both ends and compare peer state. These diagnostics usually reveal routing mismatches or authentication issues that you can fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.